Today we're gonna be tackling the demo of the kitchen. We're gonna leave the upper cabinets because we want to use those, but we're taking out the base cabinets. As you can see over here, we're taking out the appliances because they're old, not working great. So it's gonna be a great video. Stay tuned.
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else. No. But they all see is you need help. But still you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. You gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You try so hard. You try so hard. You try so hard. Yeah. You try so hard. Give it. Can't run away from it. You gon' pay. Still you try so hard to cover up your games. Got you thinking don't nobody see all this time. It ain't nothing changed.
Nothing out there could ever stop me from chasing after the way you love me, keeping me up 2 cups of coffee. Baby, you make me feel so lovely. I keep on running, no, I should've wanted I keep on falling right into your thought, I can't get you off my mind. So sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I wanted, sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Sweet, yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I wanted, sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy. Oh, what a rush each time you catch me chasing after the way you love me. Color my life up like confetti.
finished pretty much the entire kitchen. Our blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this demo so far. I'm not kidding. I got a scrape and there was a little drop of blood, so I'm not exaggerating.
I don't know what you're talking about, blood.
But as you can see, we've got pretty much everything up. Base cabinets are all up. That ugly range is gone.
Yeah, took out that range.
We still have some of these giant plywood sheets to get up.
That's gonna be week 3. Week 3, we're gonna tackle the rest of the floors, right?
Yes. Now, you guys have to let me know what you think because Kachi and I are in a little bit of a disagreement. The original plan was to keep the upper cabinets and just do like nice shaker doors to match the new cabinets, right? So they'll, you know, the bases that are in decent condition are gonna be all cleaned, painted, and then they'll get new cute doors on them. That's now what Kachi wants to do.
I want to take it out.
We converted you?
Oh, wait, what was I on team leave it in or take it out? I feel like I was on team take it out.
I was on team take it out.
So we've been on the same team, so what's the argument about?
I thought we were on different teams.
No.
Never mind, guys, we resolved it. Thanks for your help. So these are also coming out.
Yeah.
I thought that I wasn't going to be able to take a sledgehammer to these. I'm super excited. I think I might need to go to Home Depot and get like a giant hammer.
Wait, sledgehammer? I was trying to see if we could take it out peacefully.
This is like my therapy.
So no peacefully, we're gonna sledgehammer it.
Literally, like there's nothing more exciting
Okay.
than just knocking these down off the wall. Just like ripping the doors off.
Oh God.
Like we don't need a drill. We don't need peaceful.
That'd be fun. That'd be
Just
fun.
like Nicole in here.
For week 3.
Week 3.
And this is what we're left with in the kitchen. We took it all out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Yes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't you want to see us knock these cabinets out? You're not going to see that if you don't hit subscribe.